Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 10, chapter 6, triangles. Continuation of theorem 6.3. Here, the lines PQ and EF are with transversal DE. So, here angle P and angle E are the corresponding angles and they are equal. Hence, PQ is parallel to EF. Now, since PQ is parallel to EF, by BPT, we can say that dP by PE is equal to dQ by QF. Therefore, dP by PE is equal to dQ by QF. That is by BPT theorem. Now, taking the reciprocal of this, we get PE by dP is equal to QF by dQ. And then adding 1 to both the sides of the reciprocal. Adding 1 to both sides, we get PE by dP plus 1 is equal to QF by dQ plus 1. Now, using the LCM method, we get dP, here we get PE plus dP, which is equal to here dQ QF plus dQ. Now, what is PE plus dP? PE plus dP. It is DE by DE by dP, which is equal to, what is QF plus DQ? QF plus DQ. It is DF by DQ. Now, which implies that, so I can write dP by dE, which is equal to dQ by dF. It is the same. Now, next, we know that by construction, it was dP is equal to AB and dQ is equal to AC. Isn't it? Yes. So, here, just previous we had we had dP by dE, which is equal to dQ by dF, isn't it? So here, instead of dP, since dP is equal to AB by construction, I can write AB by DE, which is equal to dQ. Instead of dQ, I can write AC by DF. So similarly, we can prove that AB by DE is equal to BC by, here you see here, I have proved that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, isn't it? So similarly, you can prove that the same method, we can prove AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. BC by EF. Okay. Therefore, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, which is equal to BC by EF. Now here all the three sides are in proportion. All the three sides are in proportion. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So hence proved. So thank you students.